What's going on, everyone? I was not going to come on live today, but figured that I should, so here we are. So, a couple minutes late, 3 minutes into the open. Nothing too crazy is going on. Nasdaq pushed down, now rallied about 40 points from that low. We'll see if anything happens. Could have been a good opportunity to long, but also really nothing too crazy. Let's see. If we can take out 15, 7, 10, that should keep rallying. Let's see. Some of these names might start pushing. High of day, Mira, Coin, Upstart, the Trade Desk, Apple pushing. Oh, forgot I had Nvidia right here. Nvidia's kind of choppy. Apple rejected, Nasdaq pulling back. Yeah. Still only 4 minutes in. Might as well just wait. Yeah, there's nothing too crazy so far. Let's see. Let's look at Etsy. So, Etsy has had a pretty wild opening. No, nothing too crazy yet. Let's go back to coin. I literally set a limit for $100 to long on coin, and of course, gets front ran at 100.01. That's ridiculous. Now up 4 points, so that would have been like $400. So that's great. Let's see, Netflix, kind of shitty PA. Tesla. I mean, this is kind of looking like we might reject here with those wicks. Grab some of that liquidity at the high of the day. I mean, it's definitely not looking the best. Yeah, nothing too crazy. Slow start. Today's OPEX, and it's Friday, so low volume anyways. Yeah, I don't know. I would be very, very cautious trying to short high days on a day like today. I feel like that's very, very dangerous. Really, the only play I would want to make is buying at a key level or in a demand zone. Like if we come back here and trade right around here in this little zone, maybe I would take a long there because we'd start basing out. But other than that, I just feel like today would be very, very tricky. I mean, it's pretty chop anyways. Really no great action. Tesla breaking down, Coinbase breaking down, Trade Desk breaking down, Nvidia breaking down. So there you go. There is that rejection. That could have been interesting. Now we really got to see if 15660 holds. Let's bring up level 2. Just from how fast we pushed down, That definitely seems like sellers are very, very eager to break this down. Like that was a perfect Christmas tree. Goes up and then goes down in the exact same time. So we'll see. Here we go. Let's see. Should see a lot of size. Oh, instantly flashed below. Now popped back up. Might have just stopped out a few folks right there. Wow. That's hilarious. It's like literally a 20-point swing right there. All right. Well, now let's see if that's a double bottom or basically a head and shoulders. I'm thinking we could easily still come way on down and crack below. Mara keeps selling off. Coinbase is probably going to actually test 100. Tesla keeps selling off. What a sell off into earnings. Wow. That's why you really don't trust anything around earnings time. Look at that. So close to 300. Now it's 40 points below. Yep, there we are. Kind of selling off. Might be able to keep selling off there. This is the thing about trading. It's like you just have to be patient. Like, could you have tried to make a play somewhere here? I guess. But it's just all over the place. Some stuff's just free falling, some stuff is slowly going on down, some stuff is kind of going higher. It's all over the place. But yeah, now that I see this on NASDAQ, I kind of feel like we would keep pushing on down. That just looks super wacky. I really can't imagine that somehow we hold and come all the way back up there. That would just be very, very weird to see. I mean, honestly, like the other thing about trading is like market intuition basically beats every single edge in the market. Because if you're seriously trading off a static edge, which is like, oh, I buy when it comes into a key level 260, it's not it's not gonna be a perfect 60, 70 plus percent win ratio. Like you have to apply a static edge along with market intuition. Oh yeah, it's coming in 260, but Nasdaq is pushing down super hard. ES is pushing down super hard. This other factor, this factor that tells me, oh, maybe I shouldn't, instead of just blindly making a trade just because one little thing happens. And that's why I feel so many people aren't successful, because they don't have enough screen time, putting in 3-4 hours a day of just looking at charts and knowing that this price action right here is bullish. Now we're going to be trading possibly at 445 at the end of the day today, or that the trade desk, oh, that's good, that's definitely going to be falling down. That price action does not look good, and it's not even how the price action looks. It's how fast do we go up? How slow do we come down? Right? And that kind of stuff you only learn from just watching the charts for multiple years. So ES right here sold off super hard, rallied a little bit, came back down, so sellers aren't super aggressive like they were right here. Actually, damn, that wasn't even the open. Never mind. But still, so if I wanted to, I could technically long ES about right here. I mean, maybe like literally another point for a double bottom there. Let me see. Okay, and we probably just missed that move. Hesitate a little bit because yeah, might have just missed that move. That is exactly what I was talking about. Liquidity grab into 45.75 or 40. Oh, wait. Did we not even trade at 45.75? No, we okay, never mind. Never mind. Man. Yeah, hesitation. Hate it. Oh, here we go. Like, I don't know. We would have to keep basing out holding 45.76 because at this point, my intuition's telling me we're not going to be holding that. Wow, NASDAQ holding, little 30-point rip. So stuff is holding. I mean, Tesla's kind of basing out, it looks like. NASDAQ's coming on up here a little bit. So that doesn't look like the most perfect double bottom. Because if we're just going to be slowly grinding on down like we are right here, then I would not want to buy that, but we would have to start basing out here and then eventually absorb selling pressure and come back above. It just does not look like the most pretty. Like with NASDAQ ripping, Nvidia ripping, Apple holding, Tesla coming back up, I would have really liked to have seen ES start moving. And it's not. What's Neo doing? Nothing really. Yeah. Like that's what I'm saying. It just we should have popped up basically when we grabbed that liquidity right here. We should have popped up initially because this just looks like a slow grind down. So NASDAQ still chopping around. Yeah, there's really nothing spectacular about this day so far. Stuff is just all over the place. What the fuck is oil? Huh. What's oil doing? Nothing. Wow. Yep, so NASDAQ. You could technically long right here for a triple bottom, but The fact that we already have two sharp wicks, nothing's really looking super strong. Coinbase is pushing down into 100. Yeah. Well, yeah, maybe that's why I hesitated, because my intuition was telling me that we should have, if we were gonna go up, have held and bounced like that, and we didn't. So if I would have longed right here, I would be 1 point from getting stopped out. I use a 5 point stop. Coin coming into 100. Yeah. Shit. I want to see coins level 2 at 100. Oh, fuck. I forgot. Never mind. I can just do that. Damn, did we already tap 100 right there? Jeez. Would have literally been stopped out right there. So, good thing I did not long. I mean, maybe I should long right here or something after that extended move. Maybe that's the bottom. But with Apple at low of day holding on by a thread, I don't know. I'm not feeling too good about that. Just need to wait for more data. That is for certain. Oh wow, look at that break. Wasn't even looking. So Coinbase got shredded at 100. Yep, so 100% would have been stopped out right there on ES. So yeah, good thing I hesitated. Ooh, man, I didn't even. Oh. I mean, in hindsight, that looks good. But damn, could have played the rejection of 15,700. Wow. Coinbase could be basing out right here at 99. Could be just accumulating a little bit below 100, and then might see a pop back up if we get aggressive. And longs want to dip by here, but we'll see. Yeah, we don't even have any news at 10 o'clock today either. Damn. Some of these stocks like Mira, Neo, and Beyond were on my watch list, I think either earlier this week or last week. And they're trading like shit. They went from having a lot of volume, good amount of volume, to trash. Which, I mean, that they were always trash, but whenever they get a little bit of momentum, they can be good. Can move 2 points, long a quick 1,000 shares. Make 1,000 or $2. Tesla could be double bottoming right here at 262. Might be able to push there, break 264.5 or 265. ES could have bottomed out right here at 45.70. Personally, I would want to see ES maybe reject off 45.75, come back down again, and then go up. That'd be pretty sweet, but ES could also just, I think, make like a inverse head and shoulders. There's like the shoulder, head, shoulder, and then go on up there. But we'll see. I am not in a rush. Not in a rush to get anything because nothing is actually looking pretty. Like, for example, Tesla totally faked out right there. Oh yeah, Etsy, Snow, Starbucks, Airbnb, Oracle. Oh my God, Chipotle. Yeah, so many of these 2020, 2021 stocks are complete garbage to trade. That's why I only do ES and then Q nowadays. Because that's all you need. That's all that's moving. Yeah, if Coinbase can hold right here, then I would actually be pretty confident that we'd pop back up. I've seen this play happen a bajillion times. Crack below key level, trade a little bit, and then send her on up. Nvidia might bounce at 450. Still waiting though. So we got about 2 more minutes till 10. No news, but that's usually when institutions start coming in after they see what's going on for the day. Which, that's the thing. I mean, it might be clear skies after this, but why not let early longs get crushed and get stopped out for the day, and then I can just come in and see that oh, maybe longs do want to get aggressive here. Maybe we are bottoming out here, and then I can put on a trade, and then I can be done for the day, using other people as my data. So I am really liking how Coinbase is accumulating below 100. But if she does break lower, then I think it's game. Because if you go to a higher time frame, I mean, there's this crazy volume gap right here that could fill all the way to 85. And that's this is literally a perfect example of accumulation and distribution. Accumulate through here, mark up here, distribute here, and then just mark it back down. That is like such a textbook example. Like right here on ES, honestly, that does look good. Where the hell is ES? There we are. I mean, how much more juice do we have? I'm not totally sure. But because there really wasn't any crazy volume right here. So I'm not 100% sure. Stuff is still all over the place. Indices are just barely trickling down. It's now been 10 for a minute. Nothing's happened. That's what I mean with Coinbase now. If they can keep getting a bid, then that play would have worked out.
Order filled.
Okay, let's see. I did just get long ES right there. Fill was 468.25. Don't tell me this is going to be the candles now that we break down. Yeah, if we don't hold this, then we're for sure going down. So Netflix is selling off. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so stopped out for fucking sure. That sucks. Should have fucking waited for more data, but whatever. This is why it's tricky on low volume days like today. And slow grinding. That's why I fucking hate playing ES. Because ES moves so slow. Shit, there's a lot of volume. Maybe that's an indication of a reversal. I mean, look at that volume. There is a lot of volume. Yeah, if we can make that look blue, then honestly, that would be a good indication that we'd be going back up. Like, if we can just flip blue and start bidding up, then that would look perfect. But come on. Come on. Catch a bid, ES. Come on, come on. Get up there. Just test with that blue EMA, please. I'll take $400. Come on. Alright. So, since I don't really care about today, I'm just going to move my stop to break even. It's probably going to get touched here. Yeah, it's going to get touched. But, whatever. Honestly. I mean, if we can see a nice explosion right here. I'm just not feeling confident about how the 5 minute looks. I mean, actually, right here, it's actually not looking bad. Now that we finally flipped blue. And there we go. Let's go to ES. Oh my god. Yo, what? Man, having to adjust all these different windows are fucking annoying. Can't even see the candles. I'm really hoping we can just keep going. Because at this point, I'm very confident that was the bottom, at least for right now. I mean, look at all that volume on that candle. That saved us. And we could definitely retrace this whole move. So it's just a matter of if that's what ES wants to do. Come on, let's keep going up. Come on. Okay, there we go.
Order filled.
Alright, so 250 on that. Kind of wish I was able to play micros. I could maybe take out half there, but whatever. 250 bucks in 10 minutes. Not bad. Really didn't feel bad about that trade, but also happy I didn't get stopped out. I think I caught like 5 points. Yeah, we probably are gonna keep going up here. But again, it's tough when you're trading with one contract. It's either you get out right here or lose. I mean, if there's a big red candle, lose all your gains like that. If I had 2 contracts, 3 contracts, 5 contracts, could have loaded out 2 right here out of 5 and kept holding on. But what can you do? But yeah, that's not bad, though. I'll take it. Yeah. So 45.73. So that's probably another $100 right there that we missed out on. Because honestly, right here with that volume, and now that wick printed like that, I mean, we could for sure go all the way back up. But so Disney bounced off 86. Did pick up some Disney at 86. 15 more shares. So that's cool or something. Wait, what? Oh my goodness. Man, how do you catch these moves right off the open? I swear. Alright, I'll probably be done at 10:20 because I'm probably done for the day. Just gotta hit one good trade and bounce out. Especially on a Friday. You do not need to overdo it on a Friday. Market is basically dead at 10:30, 11. There's like no point after that. Man, back in the day, I would be crushing these small caps. Always use 1,000 shares, load up off some key level, make a band, 2 bands, 3 bands. Like that. Crazy. That's what I mean. Like, we are getting some resistance right here on ES. That's why I kind of got out. I mean, if we do break above, then we'll see a bunch of buying, which will continue bidding it up. Could be right here. There you go. Damn. So that would have been another 150, so 400 bucks. Yeah. You're never going to catch the entire move, that is for sure. Just sucks though, because let's see if it has my take profit. Yep, 4577.25. So could have made another 200 bucks in another 6 minutes if I just would have held right there, but whatever. Again, literally could have stopped me out too, so what can you do? It's just tough though, because it's like, oh man, all I had to do was just not click the button, waited here, kept talking, another 200 bucks could have entered my hands. But again, could have literally gotten stopped out here and then reversed. So yeah, literally, people do not realize how much of a cheat code trading with multiple contracts is. Like, like I literally could have gotten out here if let's say I had 2, easily could have taken 2. Actually, let's see how many contracts I can trade. Whoa.
Order
So on a
rejected.
little $7,000 account, basically, can trade 5 ES contracts. Wow. That is bonkers. Wow. So if I was really full porting this little mini account, could have essentially done $1,000 in 10 minutes. It's about 100 bucks a minute. Interesting. Like, this is what I mean. Like, again, you're not going to catch the exact top. It really doesn't matter, too, because you're just trying to catch a move, put 250 bucks in your pocket, move on. But like right here, oh man, I could have sold at 45.78. Oh man, it's already at 45.76. It might keep going down, or should I hold? It's so tricky. And again, that's where if you had multiple contracts, would have gotten out here on that mega pop, could have gotten out here on that mega pop again, could have gotten out here, could have gotten out right there again. So you just keep scaling out as you go up. And ever since I remember when I was trading with one contract, it would be taking these little profits all the time because it's either you take it right now or you just keep holding and risk giving all your profits back. But if you're trading with multiple contracts, it's so much easier just mentally to lock in a little bit here, lock in a little bit there. And I keep going on a rant about it, but it's so important. And that's why I honestly think if you can't take multiple contracts, I mean I'm okay with not taking multiple. I just don't really care that much. Um, and I could always just do I literally do micros on Nasdaq. This is my first time trading ES in literally a month. So I didn't want to go too crazy on it, even though I probably should have, because my risk can definitely handle that. But yeah, I literally do not think you should be trading if you can't do if your account can't handle multiple contracts, because there's just no point. It's so much harder. So $1.50 in commission. Now, if we're really being honest, if we come back on down here and trade, that would be a dope opportunity for a long. But we'll see. Let's see what else is going on. So yeah, I mean, looks like some stuff rebounded from that 10 o'clock low. Yeah, alright. I think I'm going to bounce out of here because stuff is just kind of ranging. Already made a play. So I'm done. Hope you guys enjoyed this live trading. Hope it was very insightful. Just seeing real, raw emotions. Again, on TradeStation, this means a live account. You can't fake that at all. There's literally no way to. So, yeah, but anyways, hope you guys enjoyed and have a great rest of your day and weekend. See you guys in the next one. Peace.